Hello everyone, this is Teacher Ayan. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to perform mathematical operations on scientific notation. This is grade 7 mathematics. Specifically, we will learn how to multiply and divide numbers in scientific notation in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. But first, let's review. Scientific notation is written in the form a times 10 raised to the power of n, where a is a number greater than or equal to 1 but less than 9. And n is an integer exponent. Ito po. Example, we have this one. 3.5 times 10 raised to the power of 4. So this is an example of a scientific notation. Okay, multiplication of scientific notation. When multiplying numbers in scientific notations, follow these steps. 1, or step 1, multiply the coefficients. Step 2, add the exponents. And step 3, rewrite the answer in proper scientific notation if needed. Let's have an example. Number 1. Multiply 3 times 10 raised to the power of 4 by 2 times 10 raised to the power of 3. So basta may open and close parentheses, that is automatic multiplication. Step 1, multiply the coefficients. What are the coefficients? We have 3 times 2, that is 6. 3 times 2, ito yung ating mga coefficients, so that is 6. Next, step number 2, add the exponents. So we have 4 and 3. 4 plus 3, that is 7. And lastly, the final answer will be 6 times 10 raised to the power of 7. So ganito lang po mag-multiply ng ating scientific notation. Next, example number 2. Multiply 4 times 10 raised to the power of 5 by 3 times 10 raised to the power of 2. So paano natin siya multiply? Step 1, multiply the coefficients. So ganun pa rin, 4 times 3, that is 12. 4 times 3. Step 2, add the exponents. So that is 5 plus 2 is 7. Final answer, 12 times 10 raised to the power of 7. As you observed kanina, based on our definition, balik tayo sa ating definition. A, okay? A is a number greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. Since this is 12, okay? Since this is 12, so anong gagawin natin? Okay, not yet proper scientific notation because 12 is greater than 10. So anong gagawin natin? Write it into 1.2 times 10 raised to the power of 8. Okay, naging 8 na kasi nagdagdag tayo ng isa. Right? Kasi hindi siya pwede na 12. Kasi nasa rule natin na greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10 siya dapat. Kasi naging 12. So, hatiin natin. Gawin natin 1.2. Okay, saan yung isang 0? Nagdag doon sa 8. Kaya naging 8 itong ating exponent. Sige. Now, let's go to division of scientific notation. Pag sinabi natin division, okay, ito yung kabaliktaran ng ating multiplication. So, dito, baliktad. So, if you're going to divide, you subtract the exponent. Sige, balikan natin. For division, step 1, divide the coefficients. Step 2, subtract the exponents. Ito. Kanina, sa multiplication, kapag i-multiply natin ang coefficient, ang exponent naman, i-add natin. Ngayon, kapag i-divide natin yung ating coefficients, i-subtract natin yung ating mga exponents. And lastly, step number 3, express the answer in proper scientific notation. So, I'm sorry. So, this is scientific, not scientist. Okay, punta tayo sa example number 3. Divide 6 times 10 raised to the power of 7 divided by 3 times 10 raised to the power of 3. So follow the step 1, divide the coefficients. So we have 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Step 2, subtract the exponents. So ano yun? So we have 7 minus 3. Kaya naging 10 raised to 4. And ang final answer natin ay 2 times 10 raised to the power of 2. Okay, that is our example number 3. Example number 4. Okay, let's go to example number 4. Okay, divide 8 times 10 raised to the power of 6 by 4 times 10 raised to the power of 2. So step 1, divide the coefficients. So we have 4 or 8 divided by 4, that is 2. Step 2, subtract the exponents. So we have 6 minus 2, that is 4. So our final answer is 2 raised to the power of 10. 2 times 10 raised to the power of 4. Okay, tips. Una, multiplication. So pag i-multiply natin yung ating coefficients, add the exponents. Okay. Division, divide the coefficients and subtract the exponents. And lastly, we have the coefficient must always be between 1 and 10. Kagaya kanina, naging 12 yung answer natin. So, anong gagawin natin? So, tatanggalin mo yun. So, maging 1.2 na siya. Okay. And that's how you perform mathematical operations using scientific notation. So, if you learned something today, please like, share, and subscribe for more mathematics tutorial. Again, this is Teacher Ian. See you in the next video.